Samsung Galaxy A20, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, new condition, no scratch, no damage in just 5,000 rupees. If you want to buy it, then please contact me in my email address given in the description. You will also get 5% discount if you subscribe to my channel. And cash on delivery is available. If you want to sell any mobile phone, you can contact me through email. I will help you. Thanks for watching. Please consider to subscribe, like and share.
It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.